Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about new design necklace and earrings collection jewelry with unique style necklace white earring designs. So let's start the video. This design was very pretty. This is awesome. This is also awesome. This looks very pretty. And this is very awesome in white color. This is also awesome with bracelet. This is multicolor white, and this is also multicolor. This is very awesome, and this looks pretty. This is very pretty in white color. This is also in blue and white color. This looks very awesome. This is very pretty. All designs are very pretty. Earrings are worn by women. This looks very awesome. This is also awesome in white color. And this is flower design earrings and necklace. This is with bracelet. This looks very awesome.